Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to connect your WooCommerce store with email marketing tools for free. First, you'll need a free plugin called MailChimp for WooCommerce. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, then Add New. Search for MailChimp for WooCommerce, install it, and click Activate. Once activated, you'll see a setup wizard. Click Connect. You'll be asked to log into your free MailChimp account and authorize the connection. This links your store to your MailChimp audience. After connecting, configure the sync. Choose which customer data to send, like order history, and select the MailChimp list you want to add subscribers to. Save the settings. For a second option like MailerLite, install the free MailerLite for WooCommerce plugin from the plugin directory. Activate it, then go to its settings. You'll need your MailerLite API key, which you can find in your MailerLite account under Integrations. Paste the key, select your group, and save. Finally, test the connection. Go to your WooCommerce store, make a test purchase, and check your email marketing tool to see if the new contact was added automatically. And that's it. You've connected your store to free email marketing platforms to automatically grow your subscriber list. If this helped you build your email list, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.